Hi Adventurers, today we're at the Wizarding World of Harry Potter in Islands of Adventure. Today we are going to show you the ride Hagrid's motorcycle. We're going to do some stuff on a wand. We're going to get some butterbeer and some more different things like going through the stores, and just join us. And if you like it, subscribe, come with us.
Make some fine wands since 382 BC.
We are deep inside Harry Potter World in Islands of Adventure, and we are going on Hagrid's Motorbike Adventure.
So you have to get a locker here. And we are in. It is pretty amazing how they fit this whole ride and forest here inside the studio. Here they go. We are entering into the tunnel to the collection area to get on the ride. We're down in this deep, dark way. We're in the queue here waiting to get on, and the bikes are riding up above us.
I don't think they'd take Ollie into the Forbidden Forest.
Just hang on. Oh, and don't mind Fluffy. He's barked.
Oh, crikey, you're tangled in devil's snare. Let's be getting you out of here before you get blasted. Now, hit those purple buttons. Dragonfire's got a kick.
Well, I'll be. There's a unicorn. And look, she's a mum. Bloody lucky thing to see such a sight in the wild. But Merlin's beard we did see pictures to anyone back at Hogwarts. See you next lesson.
Okay, so wow, we just got off the ride behind us, and it is much more brutal than we remembered riding about 5 years ago.
I think the kids will love it. If you're a thrill seeker, you're gonna love it. So we're here in line, ready to get our butterbeer. There are 3 places, but we prefer the air-conditioned one. It is a bar. There are 2 different carts outside that we'll show you. And it is in the middle of a pub, and the smells are fantastic. It is a great little pub to have lunch in the middle of the afternoon.
Cheers, thank
So
you.
it's got our 2 butterbeers. One is like a soda, and the other one is frozen. I'm going to try both. Now on both of them, they have a nice creamy top. So we're going to try it now. Good. It's a cross between a vanilla soda and butterscotch. That's super good. And now this one is the frozen one. This is good on a 90-degree day, which is today. I think I like the frozen one best. It's really good. I have to try that. What do you think of that?
It tastes like butterscotch, like those little butterscotch candies you used to get as a kid.
Yeah.
But in a liquid, pure sugar shot to the brain. I'm taking this.
All right.
We are inside Honeydukes, the famous chocolate frogs. Let's see if we can find one.
It's not really a frog. It's just
4K vision. We just did the 2 roller coasters. That's what you're seeing. Metaglass. You can record right here on top of your eyes.
Is forbidden to all students. There's nothing that lives in the forest that will hurt you if you're with me or Fang. The best keeps you.
Hey guys, thanks for joining us today at Universal Studios Harry Potter Land. We had a blast. We hope you like it. Please hit that like, subscribe button. Don't forget to follow us on our next adventure. We're off to the Bahamas.